Hello and welcome to Homeyhuts. In this video, we'll explore the unified calendar on the Homeyhuts web portal. The unified calendar is a central workspace for managing all your properties from one place. Instead of switching between multiple OT extranets, you can view your bookings, update availability, manage pricing, create offline bookings, and monitor occupancy all from a single screen. So let's take a look. Once you're logged in into your Homeyhuts account, go to your host control center, navigate to the calendar tab. This will open up the unified calendar where you can manage all your connected properties. So before using the features, let's understand how the calendar is organized. On the left hand side, you'll find the list of properties, and you can also use the search bar to quickly locate a property by its name. It is helpful, especially when you're managing multiple listings. Now, if you have created magic clusters, the parent and child listings will automatically appear together. And then across the top of the screen, you'll see the calendar timeline with your dates. You can scroll up and down to browse through your properties and left to right to navigate across dates. You can use the previous and next arrows to move through the calendar. You can use the date picker to instantly jump to any future or past date without scrolling through the calendar. This gives you a complete overview of your inventory and availability in one place. For every property, you'll be able to see its current pricing, existing reservations, lock dates, parent and child listings, information, entire place mode, offline bookings, and OTA bookings. So everything is displayed in single timeline, making it easy to understand occupancy at a glance. Now, let's start with one of the most commonly used actions, which is updating your availability. Now, to block or unblock the dates, you can simply click on to any date or a date range through your calendar. Once you do that, the update pricing and availability panel will open up. Now, under availability, you can use the toggle to block the selected dates or unblock the previously blocked dates. You can also select a custom date range and add an optional note for your own reference. Once you update this, your availability is automatically synchronized across all connected booking platforms. Now, the same panel also allows you to update pricing. Simply select your date range, scroll down to the pricing section. Over here, you have two ways to update your price, either from the set price option or adjust by percentage. In the set price option, you can enter the final nightly price you'd like your guests to see. This price is automatically synchronized across all connected OTAs. You can preview your price and save the changes. And in this section, instead of entering a fixed price, you can increase or decrease the existing price by a percentage. For example, you can increase your prices by 10% for weekends and reduce your prices by 15% during low demand periods. You can preview the updated pricing and click on to apply, and it will automatically synchronize your price across all your connected OTAs. Then, if you'd like to update pricing across multiple properties at once, you can use this Flexi Pricing feature. Once you click on to Flexi Pricing button, you can select the number of properties that you want to update. Then click on to Update Pricing. Over here, select your date range. You can also select or unselect the days if required. Then you choose whether to increase or to decrease the price for the selected date range. Then enter your percentage, review the changes, and then just click on to apply. So instead of updating every property individually, Flexi Pricing lets you adjust pricing across your portfolio in just a few clicks. It is especially useful for weekends, holidays, festivals, or seasonal demands. Now let's look at the entire place mode. So if you have any clustered properties created and you want to pause that cluster for a certain time, you can enable this entire place mode in your property. You can filter those properties which have entire place mode enabled using this entire mode button over here. Under your calendar, wherever the entire place mode is enabled, it will be highlighted in this purple color. Now let's look at the occupancy filter. This filter will help you to understand how occupied your properties are over a selected period. You can click onto this occupancy filter button, select a date range, select the days if required, and filter your properties based on their occupancy. So, for example, if you want to decrease your prices for lower occupancy properties, you can toggle between the percentage and then just apply the filter. So currently, these properties have less than 25% occupancy in their calendar. So you can update your pricing accordingly. Similarly, if you want to increase your pricing, you can use the same occupancy filter. You can select the greater than option, move your occupancy bar, and click on to apply filter. Now, these properties have more than 75% occupancy in their calendar, so you can plan the prices accordingly. Lastly, you can also create an offline booking directly from your calendar. You simply just click onto this create offline booking button, select your property, add in your guest details, their booking and payment details, any extra charges that you have charged with the guest, any additional notes or check-in instructions that you want to share with the guest or maybe note it for yourself. And you can also include the guest ID proofs and notify them via email and WhatsApp for the same reservation. As soon as you create an offline booking over here, your dates are marked across your calendar and all your connected OTAs as well. And sometimes the updates may take a few seconds to apply to your calendar. You can simply use this refresh button. This will refresh your calendar so you're always viewing the most recent booking, pricing, and availability. And lastly, if you want to view your property's calendar in a monthly view, simply click onto your property and it will open up the monthly calendar view of the same. Over here as well, you can bulk update your properties, availability, and inventory. You can always change your property's price and availability settings. And that's it. The unified calendar brings everything together in one place, allowing you to manage bookings, availability, pricing, occupancy, and offline reservations without switching between multiple platforms. Whether you're managing one property or hundreds of them, the unified calendar will help you save time, reduce manual work, and keep every booking channel perfectly synchronized. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Homeyhuts tutorial.